Blood sugar dysregulation becomes very common in our modern society. There are many reasons that can cause blood sugar dysregulation, but stress and imbalanced diet style are two big factors. Liver, pancreas, and adrenal, these are key organs that regulate our blood sugar. So detoxifying and strengthening these organs' functions becomes extremely important in blood sugar regulation. And because these organs all in our abdomen, so today I introduce 5 yoga poses which emphasizing adding healthy pressure to our abdomen area, so it helps massage these organs and help them detoxify and strengthen their functions. Now, these 5 yoga poses are simple poses, but they are very effective. Also, because we're going to add pressure to our abdominal area, I do recommend you to practice these yoga poses before meals. This way, we make sure that we practice these yoga poses safely and effectively. Next, I create a 10 minutes blood sugar regulation yoga video. I hope you enjoy it. These yoga poses just like organic medicine. If you can make sure that you take 10 minutes every day to practice them, you will be very happy about the results. Now, next, if you're ready, let's do it together. Stand up. Inhale, arms up above head. And exhale, bend the waist, lower body down. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathe deeply and slowly. Now up slowly and take a rest here. Next, sit down on the mat. Stretch legs forward. Bend left knee and left foot, cross right leg. And bend right elbow and elbow touch left knee, then twist upper body towards left. Left arm behind the body and support the pose. Then breathe slowly and deeply. We're gonna stay here for about 1 minute. Now switch side. Bend the right knee and right foot, cross left leg. Bend left elbow and elbow touch right knee, then twist body towards right. Right arm behind body and support pose. And again, we're gonna stay here for another minute. Breathe slowly and deeply. Now, lower leg and arm, body come back to the middle and rest. Now sit on the mat with legs crossed, arms up above head. Inhale, twist the body to the left, and exhale, twist the body to the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Now inhale up, hold breath, body face forward, and exhale, relax, arms down, palms on knees, and rest. Now lie down on your stomach, bend elbows, put hands aside body. Then inhale, lift right leg up. Exhale, leg down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, leg down. Inhale up, exhale down. We're gonna do 20 lifts and then we're gonna switch side. When you finish 20 lifts, put down the leg and stay here, rest a little. And we're gonna switch to the left leg. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. And exhale, leg down. Again, we're gonna do 20 lifts with left leg. Now when you finish 20 lifts, stay here, relax a little. And we're gonna lift both legs up. Inhale and exhale, both legs down. Inhale, both legs up. And exhale, legs down. Again, 20 lifts. When you finish, just lie down on the mat and relax. And now we come to the last pose. Inhale, push upper body up, and exhale, upper body down. Inhale, upper body up, legs still on mat, and exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, keep spine straight, and exhale down. Now we're gonna do one more up, and next up and hold breath, and down, relax. And when you are ready, sit up with easy pose. Just sit here, relax, feel your body, feel the sensation. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.